I like her sweater. I'm gonna go get it. Hopefully she didn't see me.
Hey, what are you doing behind that tree? Okay, I guess it's not creepy that someone's like moving and trying to like see me behind a tree. I guess I'll just leave.
Have my chance.
No! Hi! Were you trying to see me behind that tree?
What tree?
Oh.
What tree?
No, nothing.
Hey, so it didn't happen, did it? It didn't happen.
Now you're kind of hurting my arm.
It's okay, sonny.
I'm a girl. Good point.
Now anyway, I was looking at your sweater. That's white sweater.
Yeah. Yeah, I just got it.
I like this white sweater.
Well, how about you go buy it?
No, I don't think I need to buy it. See, I was hoping you would just, give it to me.
No, it's mine.
Listen here.
It's my sweater. I just got it. It's all pretty and white.
It is. But anyway.
You're kind of hurting my arm.
You want a piece of candy? Good.
What kind of candy?
Lovely candy.
Okay, cool.
What I need you to do is help me.
Why?
Because I'm an old crippled woman.
You are? I'm sorry.
I know.
I'm sorry you're so ugly.
I know.
What happened?
I hurt my foot.
Which one?
This one.
I had to make sure it was the right one. Sometimes old people forget. I was trying to be nice.
You need to get that piece of candy now.
Oh, right, the candy.
The candy. Now, what I want you to do is, in order to get that lovely candy, I want you to give me your sweater.
No, it's my sweater.
You want that candy? You want that candy?
Yeah, but this is mine.
Want that candy? Hey, get back here! I told you that I'm an old crippled woman! You can't run from me!
Hey, you are an old crippled woman!
Get back here! Get back! Stop running away! I'm only gonna hurt you a little! I'm not gonna hurt you that much. You just give me that sweater.
I don't want to give you that.
It's happening.
What is?
I'm dying.
Huh?
I'm dying.
What do you mean you're dying?
I'm dying. I'm dying. I'm dying. I know I am. I felt this before. Actually, I didn't. But I did. You know, those things can be either way. I'm dying. And before I die, I was hoping I could have that sweater.
No. What are you gonna do with it?
Give it back!
You're just gonna.
I want to rest in peace!
You're just gonna die.
I want to rest in
You'll
peace!
never rest in peace when you're gonna go to Mexico.
Oh, you take that back! You got it! Get back here! She's a mean person! A very mean person!
You know, we should protest against old crippled people. Ladies.
I second that!
Where'd you go?
Hey, there you are! Get back here!
Don't second. Why are you seconding it? You're so stupid.
It was emotion, right?
Yeah, but it's motion against you.
What kind of an idiot puts emotion against me?
Me.
Oh. Well, you should have done that!
Well, you seconded my motion of protesting you.
I hate you! And because I hate you, I'm gonna kill you!
Ah! No, please don't kill me. You're gonna die anyway.